Increase your productivity and meet face-to-face in HD with colleagues and customers. Head over to the Meeting tab to start meetings. Quickly and easily schedule meetings directly within Outlook with just one click. Or start a meeting directly from a chat conversation to move projects along. You'll be able to share your screen to collaborate better in real time. Use screen annotation to call out important points on shared content and make faster decisions. Lock your meetings for an extra layer of security, and more. Don't forget to download the free Meeting mobile application so that you can take your meetings wherever you go.